So guys, today we have Sukriti from the Northeastern University who has campuses in US as well as Canada. So I'm going to ask her a couple of questions about the Northeastern University, which is very famous for co-ops. Like it has one of the best placement rates in US as well as Canada. Also, they have a couple of STEM as well as non-STEM programs. The second point I want to highlight is the crazy scholarships which this university has to offer, which ranges from 25 to 50%. So let's understand from Sukriti about the programs and STEM and non-STEM programs it has.
Thank you, Siddesh. Hi, everybody. My name is Sukriti Sharma. I'm the Senior Associate Director for Recruitment and Marketing at Northeastern. Northeastern University has 10 campuses in the US and 2 in Canada. As he highlighted already, scholarships for us are very, very popular. We offer scholarships for our STEM programs. We're a not-for-profit but a private research university. Our scholarships range for very popular programs like project management, there is computer sciences, there are business courses that you can enroll for at the master's level. And these are all merit-based scholarships that are stackable up to 50% off on your entire tuition.
So Sukriti, can you tell me more about the co-ops which this university has to offer?
Sure. So Northeastern is ranked as the #1 university for cooperative education, or paid internships that we refer to in the layman terms. These co-ops are very famously offered for a lot of our courses, and the duration of these co-ops is between a 6 to 9 week period. It's a very promising opportunity for students who are looking for a longer term prospect in the US. And these co-ops are available across all our global campus network locations. So if a student is studying, say, at the Silicon Valley campus or at the Seattle campus, they will get access to all the co-op employers that are recruiting from Northeastern across the country. Talking about our campus locations, if I can also go on with that, Northeastern, as I said, has 10 campuses in the US, and some of the most famous locations for us are at the popular destinations like Silicon Valley, Seattle, Arlington in Washington, D.C. We've got a Miami campus, which is our newest launch in 2023. And there are campuses like Portland in the city of Maine, just 2 hours from Boston, which are offering great scholarships, again, about $25,000 on your entire tuition. So students can make the most of it from the location perspective as well. For example, for courses which are good in technology, like project management again, which is STEM, computer sciences, and many more, Silicon Valley and Seattle are the preferred campuses, wherein students are taken for certain sorts of incubations and simulation lessons, even in the companies that are headquartered. So I think make the most of it and be in touch with these guys who can help you with enrolling in Northeastern.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you have any more questions, get in touch with us for a 1-to-1 free counseling.